The chase is relentless. Strength alone cannot list. Hunger drives it, will pushes it forward, yet the rocks betray its weight. The goat, sensing the bear's struggle, pushes higher. Its muscles strain, but its balance holds. Every leap and step is calculated. Patience and caution are often stronger than rage. The goat reaches a ledge beyond reach. The predator snarls, pawing at empty air, frustrated, exhausted, and outmatched by sheer agility. Safe at last, the mountain goat pauses, catching its breath. Its eyes scan the horizon before it begins its careful descent, choosing a path away from danger.